Sanbonani and welcome back to the channel. Today we are practicing a Zulu dialogue conversation. So listen carefully and try and repeat after me. And if you look carefully, there's also an English translation in white writing. So you can pause and look at it to get full understanding. This conversation is between two friends. Umngani is a friend. Sawubona mngani. Yebo sawubona mngani. Unjani namuhla? Ngiyaphila. Ngibhizi ngiyapakisha. Uyaphi? Ngiya eholidini. Ngiyalithanda iholide nami. Ngizopakisha ithawula nesigqoko. Uzohlala isikhathi esingakanani? Ngizohlala amasonto amabili. Ube nesikhathi esimnandi eholidini. Ngiyabonga, sizobonana emuva kwamasonto amabili. Hamba kahle. Sala kahle. Please get yourself a friend or a cousin or a sibling that you can practice this dialogue with. It's a very nice and short conversation that you can have with a friend. And let me know in the comments which words sounded familiar to you or you have known them before this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these lessons. Ngiyabonga, nisale kahle.